this is a competition which is titled as Imaging Tomorrow. It's a tourism and hospitality business idea challenge, which is being organized by Indian Tourism and Hospitality Congress. So this particular competition is spread over two phases. One is business idea challenge, and second is business incubation. In first stage, our aim is to screen young entrepreneur, and in second stage, the finishing school for aspiring entrepreneurs. This competition is titled as Imagine Tomorrow, and the main objective is to help turn ideas into long-term sustainable businesses. So these are some stages, timeline: registration, introduction, initial submission, mentorship, then final competition. Phase 2 what we will do, we'll select the 20 business plan and we'll incubate them. We'll provide them all the facilities, provide them all the opportunities, we'll train them, we'll mentor them, we'll provide them infrastructure, we'll provide them help for startups, for idea teams, and then further it can be converted into a complete company, we can say a company, a business unit, so that, and we will help those companies in getting the fundraising also.
तो आज जो भी कुछ डिस्कशंस हो रहे हैं या वर्कशॉप्स हुई हैं, they are trying to, that the intention is to make our students Atmanirbhar, self-dependent, and they will be able to take wise decision for their career growth. So positivity, confidence, development, all these are the guiding source. With the sincere and serious efforts of ITSC, I'm sure with the blessings of elders, ITSC will reach to the new heights.
I believe this is an excellent initiative which we are taking. I am a very firm believer of the fact that most of the great ideas come in the nascent stage or young minds, and probably what we are also doing is we are trying to see if these young minds can bring those ideas. Even when we were studying, we used to get ideas, but I don't think that was we would have that kind of a structured, formulated process through which the idea can cross and probably one day become an entrepreneurship, full-fledged enterprise. So looking at that, I believe that this kind of initiative which is being taken by all the stakeholders who are around, I first of all would like to congratulate each and every stakeholder who has taken the pains to put his time, effort, energy and resources into such an initiative. So I'm saying that post-COVID we will have a different kind of challenges and there are different opportunities which are available. This kind of an initiative will help this to fast track. And as the flag bearers of tourism and hospitality, it is our duty to ensure that we are also a part of this journey and take this young nascent minds to fructification of the ideas.
I would like to request Bansal sir.
Thank you, Professor Prashant Gautam, for taking this a new kind of initiative from ITSC and with collaborative partners. Just I was discussing regarding a few days back, जब हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी कह रहे थे और जब वो एजुकेशन पॉलिसी नेशनल NEP नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी के बारे में, तो he was telling that every country has its own education system and it is, वो अपनी नेशनल वैल्यूज के साथ जोड़ते हुए नेशनल गोल्स के अनुसार फिर रिफॉर्म करने की बात करते हैं, यानी कि व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द रिफॉर्म, परफॉर्म एंड ट्रांसफॉर्म, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि व्हेन वी आर लुकिंग फॉर द टूरिज्म एंड हॉस्पिटैलिटी एजुकेशन, अभी तक हमें रिफॉर्म में आने की जरूरत है. देन वी विल टॉक अबाउट द परफॉर्म एंड देन वी विल टॉक अबाउट द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. दिस इज अ गुड इनिशिएटिव एंड व्हेन पर्टिकुलरली वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट which means of enhancing the knowledge and skill of entrepreneurs through the, I can say, new kind of pedagogical treatment required to be given in the classrooms, coaching and programs and training. That is the need of the hour, and the main point of the development process is to strengthen and increase the number of entrepreneurs. That is very important. अब हम स्टूडेंट्स को एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की बात करेंगे, अब हम स्टूडेंट्स के साथ वोकेशनल की बात करेंगे, अब हम स्टूडेंट्स के साथ स्किल डेवलपमेंट की बात करेंगे. और 8th के बाद, ग्रेड 8th के बाद अब हम स्टूडेंट्स में एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की बात करेंगे, इंटर्नशिप की बात करेंगे, यानी कि स्टूडेंट हैज टू टाई अप विद द इंडस्ट्री। तो यहाँ इंडस्ट्री का रोल जो है स्कूल लेवल से, अब जो नई एजुकेशन पॉलिसी आ रही है उस एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में राइट इट फ्रॉम 8th, इंटर्नशिप में जब बच्चा जाएगा तो इंटर्नशिप में the student has to select, has to tie up with the industry. Dr. Prashant, you deserve for congratulations and many appreciations, and my best wishes with you all. Thank you very much.